Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be giving update on Vande Bharat flights in English. We have both Tamil and English version available in the playlist. You can check the updates on those list. First of all, when you wanted to travel from US to India, you have to go either by Air India or by United Airlines. For Air India, it directly goes to the destination cities. For United Airlines, you have to change flights. Air India operates from 5 cities in US, that is Chicago, San Francisco, Newark, Newark and Washington, out of which Newark is the only place which goes to Mumbai, or rest all goes to Delhi. So before booking flights, what you have to do is you have to register yourself in Indian Embassy. So I have given the link below, so you can go check out on the description. So step by step you can follow the links in the description. First, register in the Indian Embassy. It asks for all the details, and then it asks again if you have done any COVID test in US or not. So please update it and get registered in the Indian Embassy link. Next, what you have to do is we have to go to the Air India website, register yourself. There it asks for the Vande Bharat mission flight registration. So go and register as a new register, and then it gives you a PNR number. So with that PNR number, you have to book the flight in Air India. So that's the procedure. So again, it's a simple registration. It again asks for whether you have done the COVID test in US or not. So please give an update in that registration too. Next, you have to upload the PCR test, the COVID test from the CVS in Air Suvidha website. Again, you have to register in the Air Suvidha website, give an update. So once you register in the Air Suvidha website with the PCR test results, it immediately within 2 hours you get an update from them. So this is what you'll be showing in the destination city. So keep it ready with that results. Again, wherever you're going, if you are in Delhi, it's well and good. If you're going to some other place, each state follow different rules, different e-pass rules. So you have to go to the different state link and then register yourself for the e-pass. I have given the description for Tamil Nadu e-pass registration. By end of the video, you will have all the other states destinations link. So please watch the video till the end so you get an idea. Now I'll let you know how to get the COVID test done in the CVS pharmacy. First, you have to go to the CVS pharmacy link. It asks for the area where you stay. So once you fill in the questionnaire, you can go and get the result done. This is how the results will be looking at. This is the PCR test result which showed negative. So once you uploaded the Air Suvidha, this is how you will get an email with the uploaded details of the passenger. So this is all you have to be ready with when you start when you start traveling. So I have given the phase 6 Air India schedule over here. So phase 6 starts from September 1st and ends in October 25th. So these are the flight schedules from the 5 cities of the US. So again, after reaching Delhi or Mumbai, these are the local flight information. So you have to plan accordingly and book your second flight with the less transition time. So this is the list of the local flights. So once landed in your destination city, I have given an example where if you land in Chennai, what happens. If you produce the COVID negative test, you will be allowed for just 2 days of quarantine in the hotel, and then rest all at home. If you don't produce any COVID negative results in the airport, you will be given like a 1 whole week of institution quarantine. Even if you take any COVID test in US, as soon as you get down in the home destination, they again do a test for you, and that results comes again in another 2 days. So you need to produce 2 test results. That's what the target is. So if you don't produce the one from the US, they will take another one after 2 days of your after you reach the destination. About the institution quarantine in Chennai, once you reach there, if you produce like one test result, you will be in institution quarantine for 2 days. Each day it costs around 2,500 rupees. So if you do 2 persons share the room, or the family stays in a single room, is 3,500 per day. So any hotel, you will come to know which hotel you're going to be staying only after reaching Chennai. So MTC bus will be helping you to for your transfer from the airport to the destination hotel. So in Andhra, it's a different situation. I think in Pune again it's a different situation where you need to travel around like a half an hour to 1 hour for the hotel stay. So each state rules you have to follow. So if you have any questions regarding your travel or booking the flight, please do comment below. We will be happy to reply to you as soon as possible. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and get the updates in the Vande Bharat playlist. So here are the details of the state-wise institutional quarantine. Again, I have given all the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching.